I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a landing page on Wix. First, you'll need to create a free Wix account. Once logged in, select a template that best suits your landing page's purpose. Wix offers many options, so take your time. After choosing, customize the template by adjusting colors, fonts, and overall layout to match your brand's aesthetic. This initial setup is crucial for a professional look. Now, let's focus on design. Craft compelling headlines that grab attention and clear calls to action that guide your visitors. Use high-quality images or videos to make your page visually appealing and engaging. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Also, ensure your landing page is fully optimized for mobile devices, as many users will access it from their phones. Next, add essential elements to your page. Integrate a contact form or lead capture form to gather valuable visitor information. Don't forget to include links to your social media profiles to expand your online presence and connect with your audience. Finally, set up analytics tools to track your page's performance, understand visitor behavior, and make data-driven improvements. Once your landing page is perfect, it's time to publish it and make it live for the world to see. After publishing, actively promote your page across various marketing channels, like social media or email campaigns, to drive traffic. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Continuously monitor your page's performance and optimize it for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.